Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a monthly maintenance day vlog. So I have a bunch of appointments to go to today. First things first on our schedule is a manicure and pedicure bright and early in the morning. It's at 8:45 and right now it's like 8:35, so we gotta go now or else I'm gonna be late. So this is the fit. I'm going with like an all white moment with my Birks. I can't remember where this tank top is from, but I'll link it. I have like all of my regular jewelry on. These pants are from Helsa on Revolve. And then I've got these like furry, cute little Birkenstocks on and my Marc Jacobs crossbody. I thought that this crossbody would be cute with this outfit, but I realized like this is a cream color and there's white on the strap, but I don't really have time to change my bag today. And then I just got like my hair down. I'm gonna get my hair done today. So yeah, that is the fit for today. Let's head to my first appointment. Okay guys, so I'm currently on my way to the first appointment of the day, which is a manicure and pedicure, and I'm actually extremely late to this appointment. It's embarrassing how late I am. I even called my nail lady before I left my apartment being like, I am gonna be stuck in traffic. I'm gonna be there like 15 minutes late. Should I even show up still or can we like reschedule to a later time today? And she was like, no, show up still. We'll just like try to get it done as fast as possible, because I told her I need to be out of here by 9:45 because my next appointment is at 10, and the next place that I'm going to after my nails, they're like super strict about being late and stuff like that. So if I can't get out of this appointment on time, then I'm screwed for my next one. So let's just hope and pray, ladies. Let's hope and pray. But yeah, let me stop vlogging and driving. This is very dangerous. And let me try my best to get to my appointment ASAP.
Beautiful. I know that color.
Really?
I don't know. 102.
Which one do you think? 1 or 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it for you. See?
Oh, cute.
I love it for you.
Perfect.
Lily.
Thank you.
So I said, okay.
Thank you so much. Alright guys, I'm back in the car now. My nail lady got me out right on time. I have 3 minutes to spare until my next appointment, which is going to be a lash lift and brow lamination. I'm super excited. I love the way that my nails turned out. I was a little worried about this color because I've never done like a blue color before, but I'll put the color shade on the screen so that you guys can like save it if you want to try it out. But she's so cute, and I also got the same color on my toes. I'm gonna head over to Lash, which is the lash brow studio that I go to, and we're gonna get our lashes fixed and our brows fixed. I have been so bothered with my lashes lately because every single time I put mascara on, they just look so flat, and like some of them are even like tangled up. So that's when I know that it's time to do a little refresh with my lashes especially. And yeah, like I said, I have 3 minutes to spare, so we're gonna go right now so that I'm not late to that appointment as well. So let's go. guys, I just got done with my lash lift and brow lamination appointment, and this is how it ended up turning out. My brows look a little bit crazy right now, but I think after like the first 24 hours, they end up not looking so harsh and dark. But other than that, I feel like a brand new woman right now. I love the way that it all turned out. Shout out to my girl Faith at Lash. She's the best. I've been going to her for a really long time now, and I just think that she does such a good job. And I feel like lash lifts can be very uncomfortable because you have to sit with your eyes closed for so long, but she does a really good job at like making you feel comfortable and not so like, oh my god, I need to open my eyes, or shouldn't get like the chemicals in your eyes or anything like that, which is a plus because I know some people leave their lash appointments, whether it's like lash extensions or lifts or whatever, and their eyes are like red. So she doesn't do that to me, which is a great thing. I'm super hungry right now, and I'm actually right next door to a kava, and you guys know I love kava, so I think I'm gonna grab that for lunch. And then my next appointment isn't until 3:30, and it's 11:30 right now, so I have quite a lot of time to kill. So I'm gonna grab something to eat, and then I might go to the mall just for fun, just for the plot, and look around and see what there is for me to spend more money on, of course. And then maybe like go home and maybe do some work, I don't know, I'm not really sure yet. Maybe take a nap because this morning was absolutely chaotic trying to get to all of my appointments, but we did it. My nails are done, lashes, brows are done. We're good to go. So far, so good. But yeah, first I'm gonna grab some lunch and just see what's going on after. Got my food. First order of business is pulling this hair up out of the way. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot eat with my hair down in my face. I just feel like I'm scared that hair is gonna get in my food, but let's pull out the masterpiece. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oh my god. Kava's strawberry lemonade is seriously the best drink that I've ever had, ever before. Like, truly, better than water, better than alcohol, anything. Okay, let's do a little bowl reveal before I start digging in. Oh my god, look at how perfect she is. Okay, I'm gonna eat my lunch really quick and then probably, I actually don't know if I want to go to the mall anymore. I might. I'm not really sure. I'm starting to get really tired. Like, today was just so chaotic and I woke up so early and was still so late to my appointments, so I kind of want to go home and take a nap, but I'm not really sure. We'll see. But first I'm gonna eat my lunch and then we'll just see what happens after that. I'm not really sure. Okay, I just finished eating my lunch and Aussie just now texted me and said that he's back home from work and he's about to lay down and take a nap, and I was like, I'm about to join you. So instead of going shopping at the mall and just like wasting my money, I'm gonna go back home, take a nap, recharge, and then I'll see you guys whenever I'm on my way to my third and final appointment for the day.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I'm back from my nap and feeling alive and refreshed again, and I'm about to head in to my third and final appointment of the day, which is a haircut. I'm going to a new salon this time. I'm going to Saran here in Highland Park Village. I just wanted to try a new place. You guys know I like to try new things. I'm gonna ask the stylist if they can just trim my hair and touch up the face framing layers that I have. The last time I got a haircut was last August, I think. Yeah, so that would be like 9 months ago, I believe. So it's been a minute since I have treated my hair correctly. So yeah, let's head in.
Are you a blogger or
I
something?
am.
Hello. I'm gonna do her hair very nice. She's a beautiful girl. It's gonna be more beautiful today.
In just a few minutes. Very soon. Perfect.
Done.
Yes.
Let me show you.
Thank you so much. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh, yay. I love
You
it.
did?
Yeah.
We did little layers.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
Yay, thank you so
Come
much.
see me again. I'll
Yes,
follow you
of
back,
course.
okay?
All right, guys, haircut is done. That was super fast. He was like in and out. Also, he was kind of like hopping between like 3 different clients, including myself. So he was going to like 2 other people. He would like cut my hair and then just like walk off. And then he would like blow dry my hair and then walk off, or like say that he was gonna add some hairspray and then walk off. But I mean, it's fine. He honestly killed it. Shout out to Yaman at Saran, I think Saran Hair Salon. And I think that wraps up my maintenance day vlog. You guys, what a day it's been. It's like 5:15 right now. We got started so early in the day, but we made it through. I say that as if like today was like such a tough day at work. Like I literally just went to like a bunch of beauty appointments. Sorry. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.